Okay, on the same approach, we are going to reconcile also this here, this accounts starting from here, like not the petty cash fund. We'll go back to that. This one from I think accounts receivable. Others are, and no issue to that. There is no. I think there is no accounts receivable others in here. Okay, I think we're reconciled with the accounts receivable. So accounts receivable October 36. There's a difference. So let's try to check the difference. I thought that is reconciled. Okay, so in here, this year, okay, so the beginning balance, I think this is the beginning balance for the January month. 8946, this one. So this coincides at the end of 31 January. There is a 16352. So let's take a look. 16352, which is okay. We coincide. End of March 3189. End of March. Yeah, there's a difference. So let's check end of Feb. End of Feb 6868. Yeah, there is a difference in here in Feb. So we can try to reduce this one to Feb. Okay, let's take it by monthly. So this one is Feb, so also this. Okay, so at the end, so there is a difference. Okay, first 150, there it is. Okay, the difference is 643, this one. So we have this. Okay, but we don't have that in our. Okay, so we have to take some notes in here. Okay, we will use the same file. I'm going to rename that one later. So let's put in here other accounts. So example, so let's copy this one here. Okay, so the account is accounts receivable. So there is a difference. So the difference is 643. So we put that in here. Six, 4, 3, 5. So 6, 4, 3, 5, like that. And put a remark. Okay. So this is a newly, just put this one. In addition to the put a remark as unrecorded deposits. Okay, unrecorded deposits from okay, yeah, that project. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Okay, so that is the remark for the. Okay, so you do the same as others. So that's the difference. Okay, and and for the other example, you have 11, 3, 2. I think that's the only difference. Yeah, I think that's the only difference. So take that. Thank you. That's for the accounts receivable. For the other accounts, you do the same. Like example here, with the loans, try to get the difference. If since we are correct with accounts receivable, so we don't have to correct that. So we just put a note for the difference. And if there are some corrections, example for the other accounts, if you observe, like this example, we have what else? We have don't touch that. This one is two. We have this loans. Okay, loans to employee receivable. So we have 150, and we have 150 at first, but they don't have. So this 150 is should be there actually, because okay, this 150 is a result actually. Oh yeah, there is a new one, 150, and there's a payment. Okay, so let's try to look the difference of this. Okay, in here there's none. Take a look what inside. Switch to classic. So example in this, we have yeah, these are for the beginning, that is the 300, so we don't have to touch that one, so that's okay. What our concern is this, there is a 150 additional in here. Okay, I think this one is coming from, it's like, yeah, this one is lost employee. This a new discovery that we have here. Okay, this is, yeah, this is discovered. I mean, this is from 4656-129. Let's take a look. They don't have 150 in the old Fortis. There is no 150 in here. So I think try to put this as, yeah, 4656. 150. I don't know. $129. This is it's like a, yes, there is a payment of 150 and it's reconciled. So I think this is from somewhere. There's another 150. So I think maybe we can take a, this is reconciled with the other account, with other transactions. We have 150. Say we can, there is always a 150 in here. There's no 150 for January. Yeah, there's a 150 in as a deposit, but not for whatever. So we can put this one to as miscellaneous to avoid conflicts with the record. Okay, so we're done with that. So this should be 0. Okay, so from the beginning of the year for that particular loans to employee, so that we put that one as 150. I mean, we have similar in here. So that's 0, and this should be loans to employee. Receivable should be 0, but we have another 150 in March. Then there is no such 150 in March for the loans to employee. In the old we have 150 in Feb. Let's try Feb. Why we don't have 150? Yeah, there is a 150 in Feb, and there is also 150 in Feb here. Okay, so I think we're synchronized. We're reconciled. Let's check first. Loans. Okay, we should be 150 until August, but here, okay, something is wrong in August because it's negative. So we should have here 150 August. Oh, yeah, it's 500 in here. So this is the month of August, shows this. Okay, in the old there's a journal of 8, and there is a 500 additional loan. There is a journal of 150. Okay, so this one is 500. We don't have 500. Let's try to check if we have 500 transaction in here. Okay, must be August. Okay, so in August we have A31 to 38, which we have accounted as uncategorized, so which changes one to loans to employee receivable. Okay, so that would make our 500 now part of this. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, here, so we have that, but they don't have this, like this one, the 150. So let's try to check if they have 150 on 87. There it is. So this 150 on 87 is like a salary paid. They put that one as salary paid, so that's okay. So it should be actually, it's like a loans receivable, so they put it on salary paid, so it's okay. So in here there must be, so we're done. We are, yeah, it should be 835, so we must correct this one as loans receivable